So this is the booster boxer holder. Now, these booster boxer holders work good, but I do have one thing that I don't like about them. And that is you have to peel off, like almost, you got to be very careful with peeling off the layers because they come apart easy, and then you kind of have to go one by one. And it's just, it takes a lot of time, especially for those who have a lot of booster boxes. So, and it kind of sticks in the corners a little bit, so you just got to like really take your time on peeling off like every section. Like on here, other brands make it that when you peel off a corner, you can peel off the whole entire box with one peel. For this brand, it's you basically peel off a little section at a time, and if you get lucky to get 2 sections at a time, you know, so like this, even if we're careful, you see how it just peels right off, so it's like separated. So each individual piece has to be separated. And again, that's the only fault I have with these, is it's just peeling it, you know, they just come off in sections instead of the whole thing in one shot. Again, if you don't have a lot of booster boxers, you know, it's not going to be an issue. You're not even going to complain about that. But because we have 20, 30, 40 booster boxes, and look at that, and that it just snapped right off. Okay, there's our other complaint. You don't want to bend it too hard. If you bend it too far, it snaps right off. Let's see how far all the other ones. Yep. So if you accidentally bend it too hard, it's gonna snap off. So there's another issue with that. Alright, well, so be very gentle with them and don't bend them back too hard.